Hey guys, so after breakfast, actually, did I do an intro yet? I don't know. If I didn't, here you go. Hi, it's your girl Tita with Beauty and the Kinks back with another weekly vlog. It is December. I keep saying December because I got so used to vlogging in December for Vlogmas. I think that's what it is, but I keep saying it's December, whatever the date is. It's January. It's January 13th, maybe, or 12th. It's the 13th. Yeah, it's January 13th. And um, I'm trying to get myself up. I need to get myself up like now because I have stuff that I need to do. I have content that I need to shoot. Um, yeah, so I gotta get my ass up. So yeah, let's just. Hey guys, so clearly my hair has been air drying. I'm actually going to define it a bit more, which is so backwards. I just didn't want to do it when I got out the shower, so I just let it air dry. I'm actually gonna finger detangle and add some product to it because right now this is just leave-in. So yeah, I'm working on editing. Yay! I'm working on editing some of the footage, not footage, but some of the videos that let me rephrase that. I'm finishing up editing some of the videos that I started yesterday. One of the videos I need to watch it. I was just about to upload it directly to YouTube, but I know how I get myself every time, so let me watch it before I do any uploads. I am trying to be a bit more creative as far as my editing this year. So I am playing around with different things, and I am hoping that my skills have increased. Like I'm redoing one of my travel vlogs because it's not, first of all, I didn't get a lot of views on it, which is fine. But I think that I could have done more as far as the editing and appealing to different viewers. So I'm gonna work on that. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that now. I'm sorry, I'm watching this not do what it's supposed to and then watching the camera. So, but yeah, I ordered food because Mariano's is not delivering today. I'm very upset that I missed whatever cutoff. Their cutoff times be like weird. I don't know if it's just the people in the area stop working at a certain time or what, or if it's just the store stops accepting that type of transaction at that time. But they're not delivering, so I can't get the groceries that I wanted, and I'm not gonna order from Jewel again. So I am ordering food, and yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna order some Jamaican food. I'm gonna try not to eat a lot of rice. I'm gonna give myself some because I'm going to eat it. If y'all have heard me talk about my keto journey so far, you know that this is a lifestyle change, but I'm not gonna deprive myself of food that I want to eat. I'm just going to portion control and know that know how it affects my body. So I'm gonna eat me a couple spoons of rice, not pot spoons, but tablespoons, and it's gonna be that. So yeah, just got done with the gym. I swear I was like 2 seconds from not coming this morning. I was like, you can do it later. You can come after work. And then I was like, something's gonna happen and I'm gonna be like, screw it, I'll do it tomorrow. So I just decided to just do it, get it over with. That's like the hardest part of the battle is, oh, snap, is getting up this early. And to be honest with you, my determination now, since I've started losing weight, I probably would still go to the gym in the evening time if my parking situation wasn't as bad as it is. just no motivation, because by the time I get home and find parking, I don't want to leave because it's gonna take me half an hour. Anything after like, I want to say anything after like 6:30 usually takes me like half an hour to find parking, and it used to be worse than that. When I used to work the second shift and I used to get off at like 10, I get home around 10:30. Please believe, like, we would be looking around for like 40 minutes for parking, 40 minutes to an hour, sometimes even longer, depending on how late. Like, we thank goodness for Uber and Lyft, because at one point, when we used to do like our date nights, it used to be crazy. Like, it used to be so crazy. Anyways, I'm tired, y'all. I wish I could go home and go to sleep. In a perfect world, that would be the case. I would literally go home and go to sleep and wake up at 10 to start my day. Yeah, that's exactly what I would do if I had it my way. But I don't, so gotta go home, get ready for work, and start this week. Hopefully it's a productive week. Fingers crossed everything is peaceful, productive, and prosperous. All right?
Baby, give me some more, you say you like that. When I hit it from behind and I'll be right back. Yeah, that's my very next line, I use it time after time. When I'm speaking my mind.
Hey, beautiful people. It is December. Why am I stuck in December? What the heck? This bitch. I'm sorry, y'all. Traffic. Rush hour traffic. People who don't know where they're going and how to drive. But anyways, hi y'all. I'm sorry. It's January 14th. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's January. And headed home, thankfully. Had a productive day at work, a fairly productive day. I'm about to try to keep that same energy, go work my second job, get the second shift on, try to get some money from Beauty and the Kinks this year, like a substantial amount of money, so I got to work towards it. I am hoping that I get these campaigns that I applied for today, and previously I think I applied for another one previously, but fingers crossed I get them, all of them. Actually, I want them all. But I have so much content that I need to film. Well, I shouldn't say so much, but I have important content that I need to film. I need to film a hair tutorial that I actually have one of them already filmed and uploaded. I just need to do a messy bun. I did like a tight top knot with a faux bang, and I need to do like a messy bun and a faux bang, so I gotta redo it. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I also have to order groceries. I am hoping Mariano's is not playing with my life today, because I want to order from Mariano's, but they stay, like, their cutoff is so stupid. Like, the times that they allow Instacart to go shop for you is stupid. I'm giving my money to Jewel, and I don't really want to, because I want to shop at not Costco, Mariano's. I know what I want from Mariano's. I specifically want to make some pub burgers tonight, and they already have them in the deli section pre-made for you. All you got to do is season it and stuff, and they playing with my life right now. I need a quick and easy meal for the family, and something that I can easily turn into keto, although I'm not hungry. You know, just for when I get hungry, I could either put it on my keto bread, or I can eat it as a salad, like not as a salad, as a lettuce wrap or lettuce burger. So I need Mariano's to stop playing with my life. But yeah, anyways, that's it. Didn't mean to ramble on. I'm just headed home. I will check in with you guys later. So Instacart threw me off because they had Mariano's and Jewel delivering at the earliest tomorrow. So I am ordering food. I'm editing and waiting patiently for the food to get here so I can eat and kind of go to sleep. I'm tired. Could be because I went to the gym this morning. It's like not even 8 o'clock. It's almost 8 o'clock, and I'm just ready to pass out. So, super tired. Hopefully they get here really soon. So I cannot remember when was the last time I checked in, but I went to work, had a long, productive day. I'm home. The hubby came home with some brisket, some ribeye, thinly sliced so that he can use our Japanese grill. That's what I'm gonna call it. I really don't know what it's called, but that's what we were doing. And now we're having our seafood segment of dinner, which is some prawns and some Dungeness crab. So, yeah. Good morning, beautiful people. Out for a poop run. Hopefully she does what she needs to do so I could get back to getting ready and get my ass to work. Hey, beautiful people, it's your girl Tahita. Wait, I've already started this vlog. Why am I introducing myself? Anywho, I am headed home. It's a little bit later than usual because I stopped at the bar after work. It's been a long day. But now I'm headed home. And yeah, I just had a drink with one of my coworkers, one of my friends from work, and we were just talking about the awesomeness and the lack of opportunities, the lack of opportunities that comes with being Black. So, quite an interesting topic. I might talk about it, I might not, but great, just caught a yellow light. Awesome sauce. Anywho, yeah, I'm headed home. I'm actually going to meet up with my brother. He's coming to pick up something from me, and I haven't seen him since last year, so I'm happy to see him. I can't wait till my niece gets here, and she's gonna be born in May, the best month ever. So I have to go home. I have to start cooking. I have to start my homework. Well, it's not really homework. My class tomorrow is basically we're supposed to come up with some research ideas because it's a research class. Believe it or not, yes, it's a research class, a class that helps you when it comes to researching and citing different things. So I got to come up with a couple things to research. And yeah, that's really it. I don't have much plans. I think this vlog has been a bit lax because I haven't been on camera much at all. It's just been a very long and busy week trying to reanalyze some things. I gotta get my life in order, y'all, and it takes some of my camera time away. Today was really rough. I literally felt like crying a couple times today just because work, I won't say it's stressful, I just feel undervalued. So you're gonna stay there until I pass, buddy. Sorry. Yeah, work has me feeling a little undervalued, and I feel like my coworker and I, we do so much for our team, and not only are we undervalued, we feel like it's hard to explain, but it's just weird. I really have no words. If without being detailed, it's hard to explain, so I'll just leave it at that. We feel a bit undervalued, and we just feel like things can be so much better if we had more people on our side willing to make it better, willing to put the business first, because we really feel like, and luckily we both agree and have, you know, kind of the same idea for the company. We both want the company to excel. We both see ourselves with the company for a really long time, and we have the best interest at heart for the company, not for ourselves, for the company. And it just seems like we might be the only ones feeling that way on our team and at times. So it's just a bit difficult when you're not getting valued, you're not paid enough, and you know what you're capable of, you know what your potential is, you know what you're doing currently, and not everybody is seeing it the same way. So it's a bit difficult, but either way, I'll push through it. Either way, I know that God has something in store for me. I know that God only really makes me feel like this when things are changing. And this is my guarantee, like every time I feel like this, I know that there is a change about to come. I'm growing. That's how I look at it. This is no longer fitting me, whether it's the way I'm doing my job, the way I'm looking at my job itself. Something is happening where something needs to change because I'm outgrowing it. So whether it's my mentality on how I'm looking at my job, whether it's my motivation, whether it's I don't know what it is just yet. I need to pray, reflect, meditate, and ask for guidance. But something needs to change because I've outgrown it. That's why I feel the way I do. That's why I'm uncomfortable. That's why I felt like crying multiple times, because it's stifling me. There's a part of this space that I'm in that no longer fits me, and I need to figure what that is so that I can change it and move on. So I've said this a number of times before. I absolutely love the company that I work for. This is the first job out of all the jobs that I've ever had in the entire world that I can say I actually really like what I do. But I don't like the space that I'm in right now. If I could change a couple things, I would. But you don't always get what you want in life. You just gotta make the best of what you do get. So here goes nothing. Anyways, that's me rambling about my rough day at work. I'm headed home to meet my brother, and yeah, I'm gonna cook dinner, so I'll try to record that for you guys. I'm actually making what we would call fried tacos in Belize. Well, we'd say fried tacos, but I think in America they call them taquitos. So I am making it the way I want to, not necessarily the way we make them in Belize. I'm taking my chicken, I'm rolling it up, trying to get all that goodness in there. I had to warm my tortillas because they're not freshly made. I had to warm them up so that they were flexible enough to roll. So, and then I'm just taking a toothpick because I don't want this to unravel. And then I'm actually let me do 4 of them, and then I will, I'll fry them. Start dropping them in. I'm just gonna fry these up really quickly, and then I'm gonna put them to drain, and then that's gonna be set aside for the boys. Me personally, I need to use a different type of tortilla, so I'm actually gonna be using the carb balanced tortilla because it's 6 grams net carb. Y'all know I'm doing keto, and I need the least net carbs as possible, so I'm actually doing a flour tortilla that's lesser carbs. With these, you do flip them once they start browning up a little bit. So once they're the right color, I will flip them and then fry them on the other side and then drain them. Are mine. These 2 are mine. These 2 are for the family. They were just leftover tortillas from the pack. So these 2 are mine. Hopefully they're just as bomb and just as healthy. Hey guys, I don't know why I decided to come this way for running my errands. Oh my god, I can't see because these people don't know how to drive. Yeah, it's messed up out here. It's so messed up. So we're supposed to be getting this. First of all, before I even continue, I am sorry. This week's vlog is a little all over the place. A lot all over the place, let's be real. It's a lot all over the place, mainly because I have been super busy. I've been having like I don't know, I've just been feeling weird. And so, and by weird, I mean like not my happy-go-lucky self. I've just been feeling, and I don't want to say depressed or super down because I'm way too blessed, and I've trained my mind not to allow myself to get, even if I'm down, I don't stay down forever. You know, so there was a day, actually I think it was 2 days ago, where I was not really in the best of moods. Should I just wait? I'll just wait for this person. Anywho, I'm getting this, but I don't know what these people are doing. I'm at Costco trying to load up because I was so mad at myself. That's partially, or it's part of the reason why I was upset and down the other day, is because I don't know where I'd be spending my money on. I don't know what I'd be spending my money on, to be honest. I really don't. And so, I don't know why you're just sitting there. I'm waiting for this parking. Why are you sitting there? Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what I'd be spending my money on. I've been not budgeting like I wanted to, and it's, you know, the beginning of the year. I said I would do better, and I just was like, wow, wait, what's going on with my finances right now? It's not looking pretty like I expected it to. And I know it's January, we're in January, and I just decided to, I won't say I just decided, I said I would start doing this for 2019, but y'all, I just need to do better, put it that way. And I just was coming down real hard on myself, and I had to shake myself out of it and put up or shut up. Either you do something to fix the problems, or you're going to continue to do it. So I'm making strides towards trying to fix my issues as far as my spending habits. Hey guys, so I am home. It's been a long day, and I'm actually studying and reading this chapter because I have a quiz tomorrow for school. I low-key am hoping that she cancels and she just puts it on D2L so that I can look it up. And sorry, dandruff, ADHD, huh? Anyways, yeah, I'm hoping that she cancels because we're supposed to be getting a blizzard. Don't nobody want to be driving to school in no blizzard to sit in a class for 3 hours. No ma'am, no thank you. So I know this vlog has been all over the place. Hopefully there's enough content that warrants me putting it up. But yeah, just been extremely busy. And nothing crazy has been happening. I'm just with school, trying to get back on schedule with my blog. Videos, stuff like that. Just been real busy. I know you can't see me, but I'm actually laying down because I have a headache. It's roughly around 2 o'clock, and yeah, my head hurts, so I haven't really been doing anything. Woke up, made breakfast, and we just watched movies all morning, but I have a headache, so I'm hoping I can take a nap. My headache goes away, and then when I wake up, I can tackle the house, start cleaning and organizing, and then clean the kitchen and stuff.
What happened?
Nothing. I'm vlogging.
Where'd you sleep?
I
So
said
you're vlogging your sleep?
because I don't have enough
That's dumb.
footage.
It's dumb.
And I'm just saying
Footage
that
for sleep.
I'm laying down
It's
here.
dumb.
Thanks, honey.
It's dumb.
This is what I do.
Dumb.
I'm trying to be productive. I'm actually editing. I'm gonna import it and then schedule it and then see what other footage I have that needs to be scheduled. or I should say edited and then scheduled. So I'm trying to be productive. I'm also about to maybe jump in the shower and wash and condition my hair and maybe even twist it up. I'll see how I feel. But yeah, I feel like I'm doing okay. I'm getting something done. Usually my weekends are a bit more eventful. It would be nice if you would blow the horn like you're supposed to, but whatevs. Usually my weekends are a lot more eventful, but we're snowed in. We are getting inches of snow. We got some last night, and as you can tell, it's lightly snowing right now. Guess what kind of shoes and pants I decided to wear outside? Because I knew it was snowing. I just decided to put on Converse and ankle socks with my ankles out. Yay me. Yeah. Literally walking through to the store with my ankles out. It's all good. Now, if the store is closed, I'm gonna be mad. Like, big mad. So let's hope it's open. I ain't even got my gloves, y'all. All the way fucked up. Anyways, I'll check in with y'all later. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. The store didn't have hot dog buns. I'm about to make some Italian sausage for dinner. And yeah, this is what I'm walking to. I'm on to another store because they didn't have what I needed. So I've decided, based on what the kid wants, what my stepson wants, we're either gonna have the Italian sausage and French rolls. I mean, make it international while we're at it, right? Because the second store did not have hot dog buns. This is my mission. I forgot hot dog buns. I have French rolls because last night I made po' boys for dinner. So there are like 3 French rolls left. Or if he wants, he can have an Italian sausage with a fry jack. So I can make, I can fry them up that way. Whichever he prefers, because ain't no hot dog buns, ain't no sausage buns. So I'm about to treat myself to a bottle of wine for bringing my ass the fuck out of the house and not going but one store, but 2 stores. I deserve it. Now, I go to this wine shop so much that I know the owner by name. He puts wines aside that he thinks we'll like this one. I have one in my pocket. But this one, oh my God, I'm stepping in snow, y'all. This is real bad. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. But anyways, I got this one for free because we've been patrons at a store since we moved over here. And yeah, now the only thing that I am hoping does not happen at this very moment is I bust my ass and this wine cracks and spills all over my goddamn coat. Bad enough that my ass is out here. I'm hoping I'll have some fuzzy socks waiting for me. But this is some bullshit. Never again. Never fucking again. But it's all my fault. It's Converse in a snowstorm. Okay, all I did just now was add water and knead as I was adding in. I want to say maybe tablespoon by tablespoon. That's not really, I can't really say that because it was running. The water was running and I would add and feel the texture of the dough. When it got to this texture, I knew I had more than enough water. So right now I'm just kneading it a little bit more. I'm going to, after I feel like I've kneaded it enough, it has to sit. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to take as much off my fingers and hand as possible. And now that that's like that, Just taking a little bit of the lard or the shortening and putting it on top of what's going to be exposed, and then I'm going to cover this with a wet paper towel. Now, adding the lard or the shortening on top of the dough is optional. I only do it because if I get caught up and let's say I start editing and I don't set the timer or something like that, if I get caught up and I don't get back to it, I don't want it to dry out. And especially since we have the heat on, the air in the house is extremely dry, so to avoid that, I'm just taking that precaution. But yeah, so that's about to sit for 20 minutes. I'm about to throw some dishes in the dishwasher and try to straighten up my island, and then edit if it hasn't been 20 minutes yet. This is kind of what the finished product is supposed to look like. It's literally just fried dough with sausage inside.